Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2014 Porsche 911 Turbo S. This is finished in white. And power comes from a twin turbocharged 3.8 liter flat 6-cylinder engine, backed by a 7-speed automatic PDK gearbox. Other features include the nice yellow brake calipers tucked behind the wheels. Those are center lock wheels, and those are indeed carbon ceramic brakes. It's got front and rear active spoilers. Start up here at the driver front wheel, and as you can see, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. This does have a partial front clear bra protection film. Down these body lines. And back here at the driver rear wheel, same as the front. Great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Brand new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires have been installed. You might notice that the exhaust is a little louder than stock, which it is. This is a catless exhaust system that was on the car. We do have a factory exhaust for this vehicle if you choose to have that with the car, or it can be installed for you. And back here at the passenger rear wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Passenger front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Bright yellow calipers are in excellent condition, no discoloration from excessive heat or anything like that. And for the interior, we have a Carrera red leather interior. This is a two-tone with black, with the matching red contrast stitching and the carbon fiber trim. Got driver seat memory settings, Bose premium audio, got lumbar support, adjustable knee bolsters, hip bolsters, and the Porsche logo embossed on the headrests. Navigation, 3-stage heated and ventilated front seats. Sport Plus, Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control, and Power Steering Plus was also optioned on this vehicle. Oh, sorry, trying to get my gimbal to work here. Current mileage 32538. Power tilt, sunroof, and Alcantara suede headliner. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call here anytime, 614-793-1050. Tons of photos of this vehicle on our website. You can check